Past week, we have this news from Figma, which was agents meet the Figma canvas. And again, internet breakdown, Twitter goes crazy. And once again, all the designers were not relevant anymore. Because this time, with this update, now AI agents to design directly on the Figma canvas. And many people once again feel like they are left behind. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to set up these skills in my example Claude Code, and is it actually worth paying attention? If you're new here, hi, my name is Murat Bayral. I have been in product design for over 20 years, and I help people design products that users love. For more information, click zerotoui.com. So with that said, let's dive in. I am in Figma blog, and this is the blog post where you can read more about it. So in order for this to work properly, we need to add skills to our coding platform. In this case, I open a brand new Claude, and I'm going to add skills. And this is the link from Figma community. We have all these skills, okay? You can check them one by one, but in order for them to work, we need to add the foundational skill, and I'm going to use GitHub. For the first skill, we need to click and say download. Let's jump into Claude. I'm going to first create a new skill under Customize Skills. From here, I just want to add a new skill. Click plus and upload the skill. Skill MD, upload it to Figma use. Okay, great. So it's here. But is that enough? No, because we have more in reference folder. So let's go back to GitHub and go to Figma use and click references. Right now, what I'm going to do is I will click all of them and download one by one. I'm going to fast forward this part of the video. This time, let's create a new chat. Yes, these ones. Great. Add these skills under Figma use skill in a folder called references. Let's cross fingers. First it locates. The folder is read only, the same error. Okay, it's showing all these skills, I understand. Place it at MNT skills user Figma use references. Let's do it. Edit with Claude. Help me edit the skill using skill creator. Add references folder. Direct message. Okay, let's add these MDE files. Standalone index. Okay. Add these to the point and direct. Finally, yes, finally, I have it. So first, let's save the skill and upload and replace Figma use skill. Great. Now it's all there. Customize skills, Figma use. Yes, I have the references folders. One last step. Figma use, references. We have one more folder called Working with Design Systems. Make sure to use the same naming convention, otherwise it won't work. And ask Claude to add a folder like that. Download all of them one by one and drag and drop and tell Claude to add them on the relevant folder. And as long as your MCP server is connected to your Claude Code, this will work perfectly. Well, perfectly. It's not going to be totally perfect, and I'm not surprised with this outcome. For me, you are not, and I am not missing anything. But that doesn't mean that we should also ignore this type of technologies, because Figma is a huge company. I am sure they are going to make other iterations as well over time. So we will have updates from Figma, we will have updates from Claude, and these things will work almost perfectly. But this is highly valuable to upload and try and test what you can be able to accomplish with that. But please, I recommend you to ignore those people who say that I built this in 15 minutes and whatsoever. I'm not going to go totally deep inside in this context, but if you want, I am going to write in the description UI Collective, Kirk, I think his name is Kirk, shout out to him. He did a great video explaining what the situation with these things. Let me know down below if you already tested Figma Skills and can you be able to do few iterations on your canvas. Let me know down below. And if you like this type of videos, smash the like, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Cheers.